I don't love you anymore.
Hello and good morning. Guess what? I finally jumped on the Anbernic Rg35Xx bandwagon. Let's look again at the name. It's Anbernic. It's a really strange name. What even weirder is this Rg35Xx. Anyway, I know I'm late for the party. This was going around on TikTok and all social media. Everyone was praising it, but that was around 6 months ago. But you must keep in mind that I live in the middle of nowhere, so actually finding this, it was a blessing. Anyway, this is the box. It's pretty non-frills. There's not much. It's very minimalistic and simplistic. White box with how the machine looks, the name, the model number, nothing here. Made in China, nothing here. Here is the most important part. There are 3 colors. Both are transparent, but this is white, this is purple and gray. I wanted the gray and we'll talk about this later. Even down there's nothing. Anyway, this was already unboxed, so we'll try to recreate it. Simple opening. I like this thing. The machine is here, but before taking out, we can take it out like this. It comes with screen protector and it's a piece of crap. We don't want it. Some more cover, a manual no one reads. And inside here is something important, and it is, if it only comes out, the USB Type-C port, so you can recharge it. Keep in mind, you can recharge it with this, but cannot transfer files on it, and we'll come back to this later. So let's get this out of the way. Nothing here is important. We'll come to this. Comes in a nice bag. That's if it comes out. Nothing in here. Throw it away. Get it out of the bag. And here it is, the beauty itself, the Rg35Xx. Oh, it focuses like this. First thing we notice, it looks like a Game Boy, especially the A and B, select star, the D-pad. Menu, Y and X are the extra. Even the grill for the speakers in the right place. In the back, this is what's a game changer, 4 shoulder button. The best part? Listen. It's very clicky. I like this. See, the name is here, Anbernic model Rg35Xx. It has a nice battery. You'll get around 4 hours of it. This is the volume rockers, the reset, the on-off, and 2 memory cards. This place is the main memory card. It comes like this normal memory card. This one came with it, and I'm very grateful. And it gets stuck inside pretty easily. And moving on, upstairs there's these LED lights, one to show it's on, one to show it's charging. There is this HD out, so you can hook it on TV, and who knows who will ever care about this. Most importantly, there's an earphone jack, and this is you need to look, this is DC, this is not transfer, okay? Anyway, life hack. When you press this one, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let go. And it turns on. This is a problem. They don't tell you in the manual that you need to count to 3 or 4 for it to turn on. And it takes a while to boot, and that's a huge problem. And it's in. It's pretty minimalistic. You have game room, you have favorite, you have history, you have search is very important. And here you have a setting where you can check the battery. I still have 51%. You can shut down date and time, sounds, icon setting, background setting. You can change background actually here. It's nice. So I like the minimalistic one. The icon setting is very nice. So you can choose there. Oh, there are some pretty good ones. Most people prefer this one, but I'm for icon number 2. Stuff like this. Best part here is the favorite. So when you find something you like, you'll put it here and you can play your favorite games on it. And the games room is mainly from PS1, vertical. These are amazing. The vertical arcade, you have to put it like this. But the most impressive one are the Neo Geo and the MAME game, Game Boy Advance, NES, and SNES, Sega Master System, and all the likes. And they're pretty fun. The best part is the search. So let us say I want Midnight Resistance, one of my favorite games. So we put mid res, and you see it's over here. So you press OK, press on it, and it should boot up. See, it's a very pretty fast boot. See, select is for the credits, push start, and here you go. Let's see if I can see. I want to say the emulation is pretty perfect, and most important, game like this hasn't been released from any way or any place other than in the arcade. And of course there's no cross button. You can press the menu, so you can exit game, save game, start game, view display effect, and background brightness. That is pretty cool. So let's say we want to return to the game. You just press B and press B again. And let's take a moment to look at the screen. It's a pretty impressive IPS screen. You can view it from almost any angle. The speaker is pretty weak, but it's fine. And I noticed that the emulation is quite almost perfect. And these shoulder buttons are really good. So let's exit the game. Here we go, we exited. How about we take a normal thing? Let's go. Let's check a Super Nintendo game. There's everything here you can find. They tell you up there is 67 here. There is 1,498 Super Nintendo game. And this is pretty amazing. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's check this out. Why not? Here it's Konami. This is awesome. I think this is the Turtles in Time one. Yeah. Yeah, it's Kawabanga. My favorite is Donatello, because I'm the brainy one. I really love these graphics. Iconic. Let's hear the music now. Let's see if we can throw him to the screen. I forget how you can do this. Let's see. I forget. Ah, it's done. Great. Anyways, I can see the emulation is quite nice, quite perfect. Great screen and everything. And we press the menu again, press the menu again, press the B, press B, press B, and we're back here. You can just go to the setting and select shutdown. Shutdown, yes sir. Goodbye. And it will turn off. And you can get something like this, and you can display it in your room like this because it looks wonderful. Best thing about it, the build quality is amazing. It doesn't feel cheap at all. If someone told me Nintendo itself made it, I would believe them. Why Nintendo doesn't make a Game Boy like this is beyond me. Anyway, I'm happy with it. I like it. Don't listen to anyone and say you need to put Garlic OS. This one is pretty good unless you're a purist and like to tinker. I like this one very much. So, as we were saying, sorry for the cut up, I had the full internal SD card. Anyway, I highly recommended this. I give it an 8.5 over 10. It's pretty amazing, lacking a few things, but other than that, for the price they ask for it, it's a must buy for anyone who's interested in retro gaming and emulation. So I give it a thumbs up. You can check it out online. You can find it in local store. It's between $50 and $65. I got mine for $60 from a local store. Really good guy. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please in the comment below give me your opinion about retro gaming or emulation scene, if you support it, you're against it, and if you like these sort of machines. So this was my review for today. I wish you a happy weekend, and I will catch you all later. Take care.
Change the world. My final message. Goodbye.